Hello guys, let's decorate this sad looking corner out here. With the onset of this festive season, we are busy with friends and family, shopping and cleaning and decorating our houses. Keeping our day-to-day chores constant, we take out time for shopping, home decoration and some quality time with friends and family. This festive season brings with it a positive vibe in our hearts, and all of us definitely look forward to this time of the year. I am just trying to decorate this space with whatever things I have with me. Trying to mix and match things. I have a rustic theme in mind with a lot of greenery. I am done, but somehow not happy with it. I did some more shifting and juggling and also added a tray beneath the setup, and this kind of brings the whole thing together. Well, this is the final look, and you can see how this instantly lifts the space up. I have tried to add one or more colorful elements here just for a pop of color. I hope you find this video helpful. Do press the like button and share it with your friends and family. I will see you soon with my next festive series video. So until my next upload, enjoy this festive season. Bye bye.